Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'll be doing a sunset eyeliner makeup tutorial for you guys. So first, what I'm doing is on a clean face, as per usual, I'll be adding my primer to my face just to make sure that I have a protective barrier for my makeup and to protect my face and my skin from the makeup. In today's video, I won't be shading my eyebrows. I'll just be outlining it with the concealer, as this is how I normally personally do my own makeup. I just shave my eyes or shave my eyebrows into the arch that I want it, and then I just use concealer instead of outlining it. But if this is how you do your makeup, don't worry about what I'm doing. Do you? Now I'm just going to add a bit to my eyelids because we won't be putting on any makeup there other than just our eyeshadow makeup that we're doing today. So I'm just going to be blending out my eyebrows and blend that out on my eyelids as well. Now that we're finishing up with the blending of the eyebrows and the eyelid, I'm going to be using my concealer in the shade Chestnut to form my wings. Now that we've formed our wings, it's time to get into our palette. I'm going to be using a yellow that I find in one of my palettes. Now guys, just use whatever you have. You don't have to get exactly what I have. But I'm going to be using the yellow from my palette, and I'm going to be placing it in the inner eye section. I'm just going to be patting it in just to make sure it's vibrant and bright and colorful, just like a sunset. Now that we've completed adding our yellow, we're going to go on to our next color, which is our orange. We're going to use our orange in the middle section of our eyeliner, and then we're just going to pat it in and carry it over into the yellow just to have it blend in smoothly. Now that we're satisfied with our blending of the two colors, the yellow and the orange, we're going to be adding our red to the eyeliner, or to our wing section of our eyeliner. So we're just going to be patting it in there and form our wings. And don't worry about making any messes. We can always clean it up after. And as you can see, while I am blending the red in, I am slightly carrying it over into the orange just to blend everything out smoothly. Now here I'm just going to be using a clean brush just to blend everything in. Now that I'm satisfied with how my wings is looking, I'm gonna just be brushing away any excess, and then we're gonna get into applying our foundation. Now y'all, I've been told that my foundation is a bit too dark for me, so I'm just testing out adding some lighter colors just to see how it blends out and to see if it matches my skin tone a bit better. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if it matches me by itself or does adding a color or a concealer helps. If so, what concealer do you guys think I should use instead of the ones that I did today? Here I'm just reshaping my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be adding my concealer and fine-tuning my wings. After I'm done with blending out my concealer, I'm just using the same brush that I used for my foundation just to go over it, just because I don't want any harsh lines. Then I'm going to be using my matting powder, and I'm just going to be putting it under my eyes, over my eyebrows, my nose, at the top part of my lips, and on my chin. And I'll just be leaving it on for a few minutes. While I was waiting for the matting powder, I was just fixing or fine-tuning my wings just to make sure that everything is looking how I envisioned it looking. Now I'm just going to be brushing away the excess powder, and again I'm going to be using my foundation brush just to make sure that everything is blended out properly. Next, I'll be using a much darker concealer just to give that high cheekbone definition. Now y'all guys, as you can tell me looking at this color, I'm trying to make sure that this is the darkest color I have, but then I felt like it wasn't. It just looked too bright, and then this is me realizing that that wasn't the dark one. I used the shade Mahogany here. That's the shade that I have, so I just blended two together to work it. to make it work, because I was not going to erase this to redo it, because this is my second time doing this video. So I was determined to make it work. And of course, we don't want our makeup to look out of place, so I'm just personally reusing the same brush again that I used for my foundation, just to make sure that everything is blended in properly and that I don't have any spots or blotches. Next, we're going to be adding our highlighter above our eyebrows, on our cheeks, the bridge of our nose, and just above our lips. Now, I didn't have a direction of where I wanted to go with my lips. I knew I wanted to do ombre lips, so I was just outlining my lips and darkening the inner corners of my top and bottom lip. I wanted to add a red to my lip for the contrast, for the ombre, and I ended up adding purple. It was dark, y'all. It was late, so I couldn't really see the color fully, but my intentions was to use red, but I ended up using purple. So do whatever color you feel that is best for you, but this is what I went with. Now here I'm just using Burt's Bees Pomegranate Moisturizing Lip Balm, just to give my lips some moisture before applying the lipstick. As y'all can see here, the lipstick did look like a burgundy red, but it ended up being a purple. So I just put it on. I saw that it was more purple, and then I tried to add a lighter color, and it ended up being more almost like a cherry pink. But I just decided to go with the flow and just work with what I made. And yeah. Now that I'm done with my lips, I'm gonna struggle with these eyelashes off camera. I'll be back, y'all. And I'm back, and I think I did a pretty good job this time. It only took me just maybe 10 minutes to apply it this time than the first time that I actually put them on. And I think I'm happy with how I put it on. Let me know what you guys think. I almost forgot my setting spray to set everything in place. And this is the end of our tutorial, and this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really like the subtlety of it. It grabs your attention, but it's not doing too much. And as you can see, the contrast is very vivid. You can see the transition from the yellow to the orange to the red. Yes, girl. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'm so happy that you joined me today for this video. And thank you guys again so much for watching, for continuously watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea. Thank you for sticking around and for watching my contents. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.